Hi, I'm Susu. At MIGLIO 5792, we focus on product development, fast delivery, quick responses, and showing issues, offering full support from design and after sales. With more than 15 years of expertise in high-end home customization, we develop over 30 new products monthly across 7 product lines and 49 varieties. From modern furniture to commercial and luxury items, we tailor the designs to local preference and meet the unique needs of each client. MIGLIO 5792's 50,000 square meter workshop optimizes supply chain and production to control costs. After 6 quality checks, our products meet ISO standard, ensuring cost-effective delivery within 40 days. At MIGLIO 579 days, we prioritize your needs with seamless service and 365 days support, ensuring timely and professional assistance from start to finish. Thanks for reaching out. MIGLIO 5792 offers quality products and reliable service. Your trust partner every step of the way.